Other news, we're following the Supreme Court issuing a major ruling limiting gun rights for domestic abusers.
In a nearly unanimous decision, the justices rejecting gun rights for those charged with domestic violence.
It's considered a big win for the Biden administration. Sylvia joins us now with more.
Don and Scott, the Supreme Court decision today basically upholds the status quo, but it's still considered a significant ruling aimed at protections for victims of domestic violence. This stems from a 1994 federal law that prohibits people under domestic restraining orders from possessing firearms. Even though it basically means nothing changes, it's significant because the court's 8-1 decision reverses an earlier ruling by a federal appeals court in New Orleans. That ruling had actually struck down that law, arguing it infringes upon Second Amendment rights. But the Supreme Court ruling overturned that decision.
I think that the court here is saying that this seems reasonable. It's a temporary denial of gun rights. It doesn't say that you could be deprived for life.
This is one of those issues where now you have judges that are going to decide very differently across the country on who has the right to have a gun and who doesn't have a right to have a gun in their home to protect and defend themselves. And that is the concern here.
Now, President Biden weighed in on the ruling, writing in a statement, "No one who has been abused should have to worry about their abuser getting a gun." And he called on Congress once again to take action to stop the gun violence epidemic. Now, this case had been closely watched for its potential to affect cases in which other gun ownership laws have been called into question, and that includes the high-profile prosecution of the president's son, Hunter Biden. He was recently convicted of lying on a form to buy a firearm while he was addicted to drugs. His attorneys had signaled they would appeal based on Second Amendment rights. Scott?
Well, Sylvia, this is a busy summer for the Supreme Court. The justices will be back next week with more decisions. Nearly a dozen are major. Remaining cases include domestic violence and guns, emergency access to abortion, and whether former President Trump can be tried on criminal charges that he allegedly conspired to overturn the 2020 election.